So let's just see how we can debug in Postman. So here we are under this user workspace and we have so many requests inside this collection. Now let's just see we are making one get request. So if we click on send, so here you can see we have the response and here is the response status. Now to debug this request response, we have to go to the console. So here in the bottom left corner we have this console and here you can see request API. And here we can get all the details about that request. We can see the network detail. Here we have the request header and also we have the response header and also we can see the response body. So if we click on that, we can see this inside this editor. Now from here we can copy our response or also we can search in our response body. And not just this, we can use the console log. So inside the test, we can use the console log to log something into the console. So we can write console.log to log something on the console, and also we can use console.info to print some info on the console, and also we can use console.warn to print some warning on the console, and also we can use console.error to print some error on the console. So now if we run this, so the request and the response is working properly. Now if we look into our console, so you can see along with this request URL, we also have all the console logs. So you can see we have the console log, we have the console.info, we have the console warning and the console errors. So this way we can use the console log for the purpose of debugging in Postman. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.